everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you all my September beauty favorites. Before we begin with today's video, I'd love to welcome everyone who has recently subscribed to my channel. Welcome. My name is Nadia and I am a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. Be sure to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I will link those down below for you. If you are wondering where these headbands are from, I will link the creator down below. You can find him on Instagram. I think it's terrancewilliamsdesigns, but I am obsessed. They just came in today and they are so cute. All sustainably sourced materials, and the packaging is sustainably sourced as well. So I have a healthy mix of products to share with you all today. The first of which is Peter Thomas Roth's Potency Power Scrub. I never thought I would favorite a physical exfoliant here on my channel, but it is 2020, so here we are. This contains a number of physical exfoliants, and it also contains tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. It has ferulic acid and vitamin E. So this will physically scrub away all that dead cellular debris that can sometimes prevent the absorption of your serums or your moisturizers. I love to use this after my morning workout every 2 to 3 days. If you have been a follower of mine for a while now, you do know that physical exfoliants are not my best friend. I do suffer from rashes every now and then whenever I introduce a new product. And I was very, very lucky to not have experienced a rash from using this specific physical exfoliant. This does have a lovely, lovely scent that I just cannot stop talking about. So if you are struggling with uneven texture, uneven tone, this is a great physical exfoliant. Next up, I have another Peter Thomas Roth product. This is the Pro Strength 10% PHA exfoliating clarifying liquid. A new video went up on this particular product, so I will link it up above and down below if you would like to have a look. But I have been using this on alternating nights. I have experienced smoother, brighter skin. I had a period in time where I was really breaking out here along my hormonal meridian, and this really did help to clarify that. I feel like because I am getting up there in age, it takes much longer for the post-inflammation hyperpigmentation to heal from said breakouts. So I feel like the use of this particular product and what I am about to mention next has also helped to speed up the healing and the brightening process. Another product I have been revisiting is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow. This is an alpha hydroxy resurfacing night serum. So what I do is I will use this one night and then I will use this another night. So this has also improved upon the clarity and the texture of my skin. I'm not sure if I have favorited this before, but if I did, it could have been maybe 1 or 2 years ago. Typically I use 2 pumps of this all over the face and neck. The next day I will wake up with smoother, brighter skin. If you are also concerned with texture or are having some breakouts, I highly, highly recommend this product. You do not want to pair these together. I feel like that is going to be too much for the skin, but if you want to alternate, that is a solid idea. Another product that I have enjoyed during the month of August and September is the Inky List's retinol. Now this is a $10 retinol, and it is a great retinol for beginners and also for anyone on a budget. This does retail for $10. I did also upload a review on this particular product, so I will link her up above and down below if you would like to have a look at that review. My only gripe with this is the packaging. I wish it came in a pump. I really, really do. Other than that, I do like that this is a time release retinol or a slow release retinol. It did not irritate, sensitize, or make my skin dry, itchy, flaky, or peely at all. It is very, very gentle. I do have another Inkey-less product, and this is the Kaolin Clay Mask. Because it was summer, I really did reach for this whenever I wanted to use a clay mask that did not include glycolic, lactic, salicylic, or polyhydroxy acids. I just really just reached for this when I wanted some decongesting of the skin, some absorption of the excess oils without sensitizing or irritating my skin. This is as basic a clay mask can get. Non-irritating, it's not too drying at all. I have normal skin, and I feel like my skin did just fine with this. It didn't make me feel tight or itchy after use at all. Another mask that I have been loving during the month of September is the Peter Thomas Roth Pro Strength Lactic Pore Treatment. OMG. I have been also using this every 2 to 3 days, and I wanted to use this in conjunction with the PHA Exfoliating Clarifying Liquid just to see if it would irritate my skin, and it did not at all. My skin hasn't felt tight or dry, peely, or flaky at all, despite me using all of these products. And the reason why I have been using this is because the collagen levels within my skin are decreasing. I am more than 30 years old, so as soon as you hit your 30s, your collagen levels start to decrease, so you'll start to notice the pores. Pores have always been with you. Your skin is just so plump and so juicy that you don't notice them. But once those collagen levels start to deplete or go down, that's when you start noticing your pores. So it is imperative that you use either a lactic acid blend or salicylic acid blend to make sure that you are deep cleaning those pores, decongesting them so they are not getting any larger and they are not any more visible than they were before. I love the ease of use of this particular product. You just put it in a cotton round, apply it over the skin, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you are set. You will have smoother skin after use. This is a newer favorite. I think I got a mini in my Hum Nutrition box for the month of August. So I was able to test the mini sample, and then I upgraded to the full size, which is almost as big as my head. But I've been really enjoying this. Initially, I thought that she was too dewy and too luminous over the skin, but I do appreciate the fact that this is water and sweat resistant, so I do use this in the morning when I work out to protect the skin from the elements. The bike room does have 2 rather large windows, so I am being exposed to the elements. So just want to protect my skin at all times. The number one way to minimize the signs of aging, especially if you are on the younger side, is by using an SPF. So make sure that you are using an SPF every day, not just when you use your acids or your retinols the night before. You should be using SPF all day, every day. On to makeup. I do have, I favorited this last month, but I am favoriting a application method here. I remember I got this in a Sephora Playbox eons and eons ago, and I was like, what the hell am I going to use this for? Enter the Tower 28 Beach Please Golden Hour Lip and Cheek. So this is what I do, and then I'll go in and apply it. And I feel like I get more color payoff when I pair this blush with this tool here. Because initially I was applying this with my finger for ease of use. You know, wham bam, thank you ma'am, we are out of here, we are ready to go, we are ready to take on the day. But for more color payoff, I definitely recommend this combo. For foundation, hopefully I've already gotten this video up, but this is the Exa Beauty High Fidelity Semi-Satin Foundation. This is the foundation that I have on the skin right now. This has been the foundation that I have been reaching for all month long. If I am wearing foundation, this is the foundation that I have on. I just really like the lightweight formula. It applies really nicely over the skin. I do prefer applying it with a beauty blender, and I do love that they launched, I believe it's 43 or 48 shades. So if you are a person of color, they have a wide range of shades, so you are definitely bound to find the perfect shade for you. It is available online, and yeah, I have some issues with the pump because sometimes I will just close this and accidentally just pump it out. I'm just kind of silly like that sometimes. So she is a little filthy. That's been my only issue. But overall, I really do like how this wears throughout the day. I haven't noticed like a ton of creasing. And she works really well with the Bite Beauty Changemaker powder. That is what I'm wearing over top it to minimize the shine of this SPF. I didn't bank on wearing this SPF underneath makeup today, but it happened, so I had to set the foundation. For lip, I know this is a new release as well, but this is the Tower 28 Milky Lip Jelly, and she looks like this. This is the lip color that I am wearing today, and she is everything. I love the Tower 28 lip gloss formula. It's like not sticky at all. You can apply layer after layer and you are good to go. I feel like I just breezed on by this September beauty favorites video, but there is a lot going on outside and hopefully you cannot hear it. I think that is all I have. I did actually order the reusable cotton rounds that one of you very kindly suggested in the comments down below a few videos back. I am using my Shiseido cotton round, so I have yet to use those, but when I do, I will be sure to let you all know how that goes. I think that is all I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for clicking on my videos all the time and allowing me to enter your personal space. I hope to see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Sorry, Toby is like waking up from his like days-long nap. I didn't bank on where yeah, I think that's all.